Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be walking around a 1941 Studebaker. This one here's got a 400 under the hood. Looks like it's got the AC set up. We've got power steering with a chrome power steering lid there, chrome alternator, chrome intake, lots and lots of chrome. We're going to be talking about this car, looking for any kind of scratches, dents, any issues you would want to know about before you come down here to buy it. And then we're going to be taking it down the road for a test drive, checking everything else out. This is a beautiful car inside and out. Definitely an attention getter. Let's look up under this. Okay, we built a little bit of a platform for it to sit down, I guess flat. Looks good. Gonna check in this trunk out a little bit more here. Got some panels all the way around. Weather stripping looks good. They even did this, and it's got a electric pop in here that's on the inside of the car. Coming down with this. It's pretty stiff, so I want to make sure I don't do nothing wrong with it. I haven't actually pulled it down before. I'll have to ask them about that. Don't want to yank it down and mess anything up. But the popper on it is in here, right up under the dash, right there. So yeah, we'll get started up here in the front. We'll get her started up, check out the interior and so on. Be sure to go over to maplemotors.com if you want to get financed or shipping information. Also have 100 detailed pictures and a frequently asked questions section for you to check out. Hey Jim, you know how to shut the trunk on this? He probably does. Maybe, I don't know. I like these headlights. I was checking them out earlier. They're pretty cool. The grille on this one's in good shape. It's got some pinstriping and like a pearl style paint. Yeah, you could shut it. I'm not sure how to. Let's go back here and see what he's doing. Is there some kind of, these are pretty stiff. Need to ask them, make sure there's not a release. It took us forever to find the button under there to open the trunk. That was one thing we didn't ask him, and then we're like, oh, how do you get in there? Right on top of this fender, it does have, no, pollen. Never mind.
Extra pollen.
They're just stiff? Okay, I didn't want to, okay, yeah, it does come down. It is really stiff,
definitely
though.
It's going to hold it up. No doubt.
Okay, thank you. That's my father there. Figured he would know. There was some pollen there on top of the fender. I'm having a hard time keeping it off the cars today. Nice set of Riddlers. Disc brakes behind that. Little chip down there at the bottom. Get on the other side of my shadow here.
Get my hot dog.
Sorry about that, guys. We'll get this video done one way or another here. Looks like we got a lock on the gas cap there. I'm definitely gonna start from back here because I don't know where I left off. Pop's talking about hot dogs and stuff. We got some pinstriping coming down the side of the car. It looks pretty good going all the way around. Get exhaust kicked out on both sides. 41 Stude. Nice pinstriping on the trunk. It's been signed. It looks like it was done in 16. This paint job is beautiful. Get Pops walk down there, get his hot dog. More pinstriping coming up the side. It's a beautiful car, and I'm not really finding any flaws. I'm gonna point them out when I see them, but oh, I found one. They done backed into something right here and put a little crease in it. Got a couple cracks because of it. Told you we don't have a perfect car. There's a little touch-up mark there on the edge too. Coming on down the lower portion. It's like a light crack there. Okay, moving back to the top of this fender, checking her out. Looks like some maybe bird crap. Probably need to wipe that off. Probably need to wash my hands now. Got a couple little dents right there in your door handle. Okay, made it around the outside. Let's go ahead and jump on the inside, get her started up. Not really many flaws on this one. They've redone the interior. It looks great. Weather stripping, you could redo the weather stripping. It's still soft, but it does look older. Checking out the interior. Carpet's clean. Seats look great. Go ahead and start her up here. Starts up nice and easy. Check the gauges out here. So our tint's coming up. Gas gauge. I bet you that one works. We'll be checking it out. Air compressor just kicked on. We'll give it a second. It's already starting to get a little bit cold. We got the face of the radio in the office. They took the wipers off of this one, so there won't be any wipers on this one. Horn works. Seat belts. Gas cap key. Freezing cold air. It does work. Tilt column. Motor sounds great. Nice and quiet. The hood prop on this one is right here. Really nice pinstriping shooting down the sides. Hey, lucky ladybug. We're gonna be doing the test drive here in a moment, right after I get Pops' hot dog. We're gonna go ahead and look up under the back, the sides, and the front. Okay, we've walked around this vehicle here. Now I'll be looking for the test drive video. I'll be doing it here in just a moment. MapleMotors.com has our financing, our shipping options, our 100 detailed pictures. Questions and answers are on there. You can go ahead and check that out. That way, if you have any, you can call, or instead of calling, you can check that out and give us a call after if you still have any more questions. We will be doing a test drive video. It'll be up here in just a moment. I'll link it to the last 30 seconds of this one. I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. Later, guys.